Hello everyone and welcome to Being Foodie. You know, the one Indian recipe that is difficult to make in a healthy way is the korma. As we all know that korma is made with butter, cashew, melon seed and heavy cream, making it extremely rich, high in calorie and fat. So I thought to cook a korma recipe with some mild ingredients, making it a little bit of healthier than the traditional one. So let's start cooking.
To make the creamy shrimp korma, these are the ingredients you will need. Start with marinating the shrimps. Here I have taken around 150 grams of shrimps, to which I will add 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt or curd. Then add salt to taste or 2 teaspoons. Mix the ingredients nicely and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes so that all the flavors are soaked by the prawns. Next, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, to which add half cup of sliced onions and fry them on medium to low heat till translucent. Try to use the white onion for better color of the curry. Once the onions are fried, take them out in a plate. When the onions cool down, put them into the blender or grinder and grind them to a fine paste. Take out and keep aside. Now in the pan, take 1 more tablespoon of oil and place the marinated prawns. Make sure to keep the temperature of the stove on low so that the shrimps are not overcooked or fried till golden. If you don't prefer frying the prawns, then you can directly add them while making the gravy. Take out and keep aside. Now to make the gravy, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and to this add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Cook them till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic are gone. Keep the stove on medium temperature to avoid burning of the masala. Now add half cup of fried onion paste and cook the onions along with ginger and garlic for 3 to 4 minutes. And then add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix the spices together. Sprinkle some water to deglaze the pan and cook for a minute. Other than this, you can also use the boiled onion paste instead of the fried one. Add less spices to keep it simple. Then add half tablespoon of sugar to balance all the flavors. But if you are using the sweetened coconut milk, then skip this step. Now add the half cooked prawns and mix all the ingredients together nicely. So I'm going to use an unsweetened coconut milk. This is a dilute form of the coconut milk and it is only 50 calories per 1 cup, as you can see. Finally, add half cup of unsweetened low-fat coconut milk, and if you don't get low-fat coconut milk, then you can use the coconut water instead. Then add half cup of low-fat cream. This half cream can't be whipped, thus I use them in my curries. And if you need more gravy, then add half cup of more coconut milk. And now let it to boil for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Let the gravy reduce to half. Garnish with some kasturi methi before serving it.
So thank you so much for watching Being Foodie. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.